Warning, do not attempt to ride a mini bike or any motorcycle in the snow as it is very risky and may be bad for your health. Do it at your own risk and don't try it at home. You have been warned. Throttle locked up. That was close. Whew. That was a first for me. Oh, I'm gonna hold that brake. Alright, we're good. Whew. Look at that devastation. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little shaky after that experience. I think I'm headed back to the shop. I finally got a name for the bike. It's the Free Roamer. So that's short for Freedom Roamer. So yeah. And another thing is, why do you have a blue engine on a red bike? It's red, white, and blue, if you know what that means. So USA. Yeah, there you go.